one time. I need to hold the corner, and it's no wine. One time.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I am taking the drone up in the air. It's been a while since I've flown the drone. I woke up this morning, as you can see, nice cloudy day, got some blue skies mixed in there, nice crisp morning. There was a little bit of low fog earlier. I think I might have missed the low fog, but yeah, the perfect day to fly the drone. I'm here in West Sac, so got some like new construction going on behind me. A really nice view of downtown, the river's full of water, so it should be interesting. It should be able to get some really cool shots and some unique angles and some unique perspectives. I've actually flown here before, but every time you come, it's a little different in this area, so that makes it super fun and super interesting for me. So I'm just gonna get up there, get some kind of cinematic shots, put together some cool B-roll type stuff, and share some photos at the end as well, because I like to just share my perspective on the city and the surroundings and the stuff around me. So hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna throw this thing up in the air. Let's get after it. So real quick, I wanted to show you guys what I'm rocking with here. So I have the old school Mavic Pro. This thing was released in 2016, so almost a 10-year-old drone. But it works for me. I've had it for like 6 or 7 years, probably 7, actually 7 or 8. But it works for me. I get good results from it. I do need to upgrade eventually, but I don't use my drone a whole lot, so it hasn't made sense for me yet. But yeah, it gets decent shots, and it has its limitations. I'll probably do a video on like why I still use this and why it's great and why it's not great. But it works for me. So I'm gonna throw it up and you can see kind of what the footage looks like on this bad boy.